Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Whoop 4.0. First, you'll want to download the Whoop application from your phone's App Store. It's available for both Apple and Android devices. Next, make sure your Whoop 4.0 is fully charged. This usually takes about 90 minutes for a complete charge. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone or tablet, as this is essential for the initial pairing process. We'll walk through each step together. Once your Whoop 4.0 is charged and Bluetooth is active, open the Whoop application. You'll be prompted to create a new user account or log in if you already have one. It's important to accurately enter your personal details, such as your height, weight, and age, as this data helps calibrate your device for precise readings. The app will then guide you through a few more steps to finalize your profile and prepare for data collection. For the most accurate data collection, proper placement of your Whoop 4.0 is key. We recommend wearing it snugly on your non-dominant wrist, about 1 to 3 centimeters above your wrist bone. This ensures the sensor has consistent contact with your skin, which is crucial for precise heart rate variability and recovery measurements. A good fit means it's secure but not uncomfortably tight, allowing for optimal performance throughout your day and night. To ensure continuous data tracking, keep your smartphone within close proximity to your Whoop 4.0 for automatic syncing. It's also a good practice to regularly check your device's battery level within the Whoop application. A full charge lasts approximately 4 to 5 days. If you encounter any syncing issues, try restarting both your Whoop device and your smartphone. These simple steps often resolve most common connectivity challenges, keeping your data flowing smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.